Hi, I'm Neil from Futureflip, and I'm the designer and builder for this amazing property here at Brolga in Cronulla. The client's brief was a bold, contemporary, box modern house with a touch of Palm Springs. They were on a corner block, so they really wanted to make a bold statement. Internally, they wanted to cater to their aging parents and have multi-generational functionality within the design. Box modern is ideal for multi-generational living because the square design maximizes the space. The key challenges on this design and build were it was so close to the ocean, so we need to choose products that were really durable and would stand the test of time. It was also on a corner block, so we had twice the amount of facade as you would normally have. It was a really big consideration to make sure every aspect looked amazing. We chose to use the Linea Weatherboards on this project because we wanted to soften the bold lines of the box modern facade to work in with our Palm Springs inspired minimalist look. Thinking long term, the product doesn't warp or twist in the harsh weather, so we knew it wouldn't be an issue for maintenance in the future. On this project, we did a pre-set out in the design room, which allowed us to set out all of our doors, windows, and ceiling heights. So it meant that all of our boards were perfectly set out. And when it came to the guys installing them, it was a really seamless process. So there was no ugly cut boards or wasted materials. We are so happy with how this project turned out. And I don't think we'd be able to achieve this good a result with using any other products.